Okay, let me show you how to install Bakllava with llama.cpp on your laptop. So I'm here in my GitHub repository, and here I have step-by-step instructions. What should I do? So the first step is that I need to clone the llama.cpp repository. I copy this command, I go to my terminal, I created a folder for it, I execute it, and now I will have llama installed on my laptop. The next step is that I need to run the command make. This is gonna execute the build to compile all the technical stuff. It's gonna take some time. This is okay. Step number 2, we need to download the models which are going to run. So I'm following the link and I'm here in the Hugging Face repository. And here I have basically a few files. I need to download the mmproj file, and I also need to download one of those files. This is basically the model, and this is the structure file. So I click download, and I have them already installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead to my downloads, and here I have them. All I need to do right now is to copy the path to them. So I go here, I do copy path, and here to start the server, I need to execute the command. So if I go to the GitHub and copy the command, here I'll see that here I need to replace it with my path of the files I have just downloaded. And I have already run it, so I'm gonna find it. Okay, so here I have the path to my files in the downloads folder. I click run, and it's gonna run on my GPU. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually open my activity monitor to show you that it's performing. So here in the window, I can go to my GPU history, and I have a chart regarding the usage of my GPU computer. So, okay. So now we have the server running. The next step to do is actually keep it in the background. Don't close this tab. This should be always open. Now let's run the demo. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the next command and open the next terminal session. So I'm gonna just duplicate the session, and I'm in the same folder, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm copying the command. So now I have my code installed, which I have pre-written for you in order to run the live from video cam streaming. After I have downloaded, I can create a virtual environment if you don't maybe have installed libraries, or you don't want to mess up with your environment, like Conda, for example. And it's gonna install like basically requests and some maybe NumPy and some other libraries. And now we are on the final step. Let's run the video streaming. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the command and run my Python. So basically you will see on my laptop that my camera is gonna turn on green and it's gonna capture the screen. And I'll say I'm gonna make my fingers like this. Okay, it has made the picture. Now it's gonna go to my actually model here, and it's gonna make predictions. Okay, now let's make it a happy picture and see if it gets it right. Okay, so it has made a screenshot, and now it's sending it back to the server. And here it says that there's a young man standing with a display in his thumbs up, signs of joy and colorful show. So this is basically it. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you're interested in learning more, you can follow me Twitter. I regularly post this stuff. I post them maybe once a week, and let me know if you have any questions. Follow the comments on GitHub and have fun.